Best watch straps. Hello everyone, this is Amit Don. Today in this video I'm going to take a quick look at a watch strap which is called T-strap. So my Timex watch strap is no longer it's not good anymore, and you can see that it shows the wearing, and I wore it for like every day 24 hours for a while, and that's what made it like this, and I needed to change it. And I was looking on Amazon. This is what I found, and I'm just going to quickly show you on Amazon. This is the name of the brand, T-strap. This is not a paid or affiliated review. I don't do any affiliations or anything. Those are not my thing. Now they come in different variations and color. So as you can see that they're multiple or lots of actually different colors here, and some of them look very nice. And the price range is like $15 to $20 Canadian. So depending on when you buy, sometimes they go on sale, and they have different variation as well, ranging from 18 to 22 millimeter. So the one I bought is 22. So let's just open this up very quickly to show you guys how it looks inside. And the box is empty. I'll just set this aside here. So one thing I like about this, that they attached a tool to change the strap, which is something I really appreciate. So it comes with this spring bar remover, or I would suggest watch strap tool. And they gave 4 quick release spring bars. For example, if you take a look at it, they have given extra 2, and I believe the strap has another 2. So I'll just take them out here. So you can see that also there are two, one here, spring bar, and it feels very nice when I'm touching it. And this is made of silicone, so it should be very nice to wear, and also feels looks very good. And this is made of, I believe this is made of steel. So the quality seems to be okay, and hopefully this is going to last a long time, and it shouldn't be that hard. And I see even they have a kind of a lever or something which makes to make the changing the strap much easier. So that's something also I like. So this is called T-strap, and based on the price and everything, I cannot really complain about anything. And I'm going to do a separate video when I actually change my strap. That's I'm going to show. But I'm happy with the product, and for the next watch video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.